In this video, I'll show you how to set up a quiz that leads users to different results pages, each with its own fixed recommendations, using the RevenueHunt app. Step 1. Prepare your quiz. First, make sure you already have a quiz created. In this example, I have a skincare quiz that asks customers about their age group, skin type, and skin concerns. Once your questions are set up, we can move on to the Results Pages section. Step 2. Create multiple results pages. Go to the Results Pages tab. Here, you can create different results pages, each showing unique text and products depending on the customer's answers. When you add a new results page, you can rename it using the Results Page Name field. You can customize it freely by adding sections, headings, text, and product blocks. In this example, I've already created 4 different results pages, one for each skin type: dry skin, combination skin, normal skin, and oily skin. Step 3. Add fixed product recommendations. Let's configure the products for each results page. Open your dry skin results page and under the product block settings, set the recommendation system to fixed recommendations. Click Add Product and select the 3 products you always want shown for this skin type. Set the max recommended items to 3. Repeat the same steps for your other results pages. Add unique fixed product recommendations for combination, normal, and oily skin. When you're done, click Save Changes. Step 4. Add conditional jump logic. Now that each results page has its own products, we'll tell the quiz which page to send each user to based on their answers. To do that, open your last question. Click it and go to the Jump Logic tab. Here, we'll add redirection rules. Example 1. Redirect to the dry skin page. Create a new rule and set. If age group is teens and 20s, and skin type is dry and tight all over, and skin concern is acne and breakouts, then redirect to the dry skin results page. You can also add more conditions that lead to the same page. For example, if age group is teens and 20s, skin type is dry, and skin concern is enlarged pores, then redirect to the dry skin results page again. Example 2. Redirect to the normal skin page. Add another rule. If age group is 30s and above, skin type is not too oily, not too dry, and skin concern is too shiny or acne, then redirect to the normal skin results page. You can continue adding rules like this for all your remaining results pages. Step 5. Save and test. Once you've finished setting up all your jump logic conditions, click Save Changes. Now, preview the quiz and test the redirections. For example, if I select teens and 20s, dry and tight all over, and acne and breakouts, I should be redirected to the dry skin results page, where I'll see the products I configured for that skin type. And that's it. That's how you can create a multi-results quiz with fixed product recommendations and conditional redirections in the RevenueHunt app. Keep in mind, this method is highly precise, but it can be time-consuming because you'll need to create rules for every possible combination of answers you want to handle. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.